Japan taking on the home side India. And with the countdown going out, ladies and gentlemen, welcoming you all once again to Hero Asia Cup Rajgir, Bihar, Japan taking on India. First quarter has begun here with the whistle sounds and all the crowd cheering up. Oh, good attempt here. Looks likely to go for the goal. Maybe a little deflection before the entry of the goalpost could have been a mesmerizing moment for India to go for the first goal.
We now have Sukhjit creating an opportunity here, and there goes the goal. Mandeep, like we discussed, Mandeep Singh has scored the first goal for India in less than 4 minutes of the start of this game.
This is brilliant here from Mandeep Singh and Team India. But a little support came from Sukhjit Singh as well. A brilliant takeover. And he says, okay, that's fine. That is what I required. That is what the team requires here.
Absolutely, Arbaz. Manpreet is part of that leadership group in the Indian side. And having more than 400 international caps. We've just seen a penalty corner being awarded to India. That was a good one. Shilanand there trying to get that PC for India. It's the first PC for India. Abhishek with the injection. A brilliant one. This time they've got it right. 100% execution here. Harmanpreet Singh scoring that second goal for India. A good execution. Fantastic injection by Abhishek. The captain there has put India 2-0 up in this match in the very first quarter. Indeed, a good start for the hosts here at the Hero Asia Cup Rajgir 2025. The crowd is ecstatic, Arbaz. We now see Japan winning a good penalty corner here. So let's see what they can pull off from this one. Good injection, a good flick, but a fantastic save there by Krishan Pathak, who's on his 150th international match. Good save by Pathak there. Gained a lot of experience under PR Srijesh. A good flick, padded away very, very well by Krishan.
There's been a good interception coming from the side of India. What they're about to do goes for the tomahawk here. Number 5, Abhishek going to counter-attack. Still the ball in play. Still the ball has rebounded. And it stays near and closer to the goalpost. There's been good attempt coming from the side of India. And Japan doing a great job as well with the defense.
Trying to find Manpreet probably to pass. Sumit right now taking the ball. Trying to move into the... Oh, that's not a goal. They couldn't get the stick there inside the circle. Would have been a good one if they managed to get the stick. Harmanpreet Singh is always really good with his long passes and extremely accurate with them. Now they've made the circle entry and earned a penalty corner here. That's Shilanand Lakra, who's done well inside the circle to get India that penalty corner now. Hardik Singh with the injection now. Amit Roidas taking the drag flick and have they scored? No. There was a good rebound which Manpreet picked up and powerfully struck it away, but not to be. Did not get that deflection.
You see, we have Vivek Sagar Prasad, Jugraj Singh, Rajkumar Pal, Jarmanpreet Singh, Dilpreet Singh into the striking circle. There's been a good entry. There's been a good sort of attempt coming from Team India. Almost that could have been yet another goal. A little hockey stick deflection could have been better. Counter attack. Moves through off to good position. Again backs in a good zone, but the ball finds the Indian player, Indian defender. Will be moving back, will be falling back soon. number 5 here, Abhishek, to take the ball forward. And he's moving really good here. Striking circle entry. There's been a good move. Little requirement, little deflection of the hockey stick was required to put the ball inside the goal post. Harmanpreet Singh, the captain, was there being present, but unfortunately, slightly unlucky India this time, I would say. Long corner, another good start. And another good time to go for the hit here. Good hit shot, but it went with a real good pace. Yes, let's see what kind of comeback we're going to see. We're going to get to see. As of now, don't think much. Likely a big comeback is going to come from the side of the team Japan. But things would happen. What we expect, what we don't expect, just the same opposite thing happens here. That is, the first goal has come here for the side of the team Japan. At last, finally, the encounters they were doing, and now the coach looks happy, and now he's also pumped up. It was a good pass from number 22, and then moving it just inside the goalpost, putting it inside the goalpost. Kosei Kawabe, and number 24 from Japan, doing it really good here. Much needed from number 24, Kawabe. Does a good job here. Counter-attack here, striking circle entry from the left flank. Moving better, moving good here, and that's been a good save from Japan here. That's where exactly you get a penalty corner.
Hardik is exceptional in his injection. A goal! That's exactly what India needed, and Harmanpreet Singh has converted. This is his second goal for the match. Has successfully taken India's scoreline to 3-1 today. A good injection by Hardik Singh. A powerful, absolutely powerful flick by the captain of Indian team, Harmanpreet Singh. Manpreet there with that trapping. This combination of Hardik, Manpreet and Harmanpreet Singh in India's battery for penalty corner has been extremely successful. Asia Cup will be extremely important for them in China, and certainly the host China will be their toughest opponent, I would say, at the Asia Cup. We now see Japan has won a penalty corner. Pressure for India now. They better defend this pretty well.
A better day, a better format, and ready to take the injection. Injection, trap, drag flick. Oh, good save here. Absolutely fantastic save from Suraj Karkera. Goes for the little tomahawk. Another good save from Suraj Karkera. This is brilliant, and he's also now fired up. He's also now pumped up. Even the crowd enjoys this save. Suraj Karkera, there's a long corner opportunity coming up. Still the ball. Still the danger is not taken away. It's around like 6.5 minutes to counter-attack. He has stepped in. He knows the importance of himself being present right in the center on the field. Aerial ball collected well and good by Harmanpreet Singh, and moving from the right flank inside the striking circle. There's been a good attempt again coming from the player, the attacker of Team India, but there's been also a good save from the goalkeeper of the team Japan.
There, a shot on goal by Shilanand Lakra, padded away very well by the Japanese goalkeeper. Good attempt by Lakra there. Lakra is from Odisha. He is from the tribal belt of Odisha. It's been a good addition to this Indian side. A good attempt there, trying to beat those Japanese defenders and get that shot going for India.
We get to see any kind of a miracle coming out. So let's see what will happen now once again. 2.5 minutes to go and counter-attack as a side of the team Japan. They get a wonderful penalty corner opportunity here. Japan, they have got another good opportunity, have to utilize it. Injection, trap, drag flag. Oh, that's a good save, and back-to-back save here. This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant from Suraj Karkera. Man in form, man the savior for the side of Team India. Two goals, it doesn't take much of time. Oh, much closer, much closer. Is that a goal? Yes, it is. That is the goal that were requiring. They were taking off, and they actually wanted Kawabe Hosei Kawabe from the side of the team Japan, making it all the way possible, puts a little pressure more on the side of the team India. This is an unbelievable comeback from the side of the team Japan. Counter attack from India. India won't be looking ahead to go for other things. A good shot coming in position from the center, from the straight midpoint, but unfortunately, Lucky here and says hi.
All the way, last 15 seconds remaining. India racing towards this victory. They have won this match 3-2.